Hello, I am Jingdiao spokesman. Welcome to Beijing Jingdiao Group. Beijing Jingdiao is a private company focusing on precision CNC machine development and manufacturing that was certified as National High-Tech Enterprise in the first batch. Company flagship product is Jingdiao 5-axis high-speed machining center. Beijing Jingdiao Group was established in 1994. Its headquarters locates at Beijing Zhongguancun Mentogo Science Park. Serving staff number exceeds 4,800, of which over 900 researchers work in R&D team and over 1,200 engineers work in technical service team. After over 20 years tireless efforts, so far has built a well-developed system, including R&D, production, and sales. And the group was entitled National Enterprise Technical Center in 2019. Beijing Jingdiao Group stands in Beijing, expands business globally. Fang, Tianjin, Xi'an, Ningbo, Suzhou, and Guangzhou. The group invested totally over 990,000 square meters for R&D, manufacturing bases, and verification centers. Set up 40 branches in China, focusing on marketing promotion and form a nationwide sales and service network. Meanwhile, we actively develop overseas markets and have set up branches in the US, Germany, Vietnam, and Malaysia to meet overseas machine users' requirements. The Jingdiao high-speed machining centers are our mainstream product. Its core components are all in-house developed and manufactured. All of its series machines can stably achieve 0.1 micron feed, 1 micron cutting, nano-level surface effect. These capabilities are demonstrated in machining process of the following representative samples. They are egg engraving, micron-level mirror surface test piece, high-precision fitting test piece, and curved surface spiral fitting test piece. Just because of such high machining performance, Jingdiao high-speed machining centers are widely used to precision and ultra-precision machining, precision mold making, high-accuracy grinding, and metal parts mass processing, etc. Outstanding R&D ability drives Beijing Jingdiao to develop continuously. Since its establishment, Beijing Jingdiao consistently emphasizes the R&D team building, insists on investing over 8% of its annual revenues in technology research. Currently, Jingdiao has mastered core technologies of CNC machine tools and accomplished plenteous R&D fruits, which has set solid foundation for continuous improvement of Jingdiao machine performance and company growth. Up to now, we have launched over 300 different machine models to market. The installation quantities of Jingdiao CNC control system exceeds 100,000 sets. Jingdiao CAM software has gained recognition from approximate 120,000 users. Jingdiao in-machine measurement and intelligent modification IM technology was awarded China's top 10 science and technology progress in intelligent manufacturing by Intelligent Manufacturing Alliance of Cast Member Societies, IMAC. The quality stability of high-precision CNC machines relies on lean producing capability of the manufacturing enterprise. During its 20 years development, Beijing Jingdiao has invested over 4 billion RMB and built high-precision CNC machine manufacturing bases at Beijing, Langfang, and Ningbo, which possess large-scale producing capacity and lean management system. Annually produce and deliver 12,000 sets of middle-sized machine tools and 16,000 sets of Jingdiao spindles. All Jingdiao manufacturing bases take micron-level control as the principle. Apply Jingdiao in-machine measurement technology and information management technology to precisely control every step of components manufacturing and ensure every Jingdiao machine delivered to market with high quality. In the future, Beijing Jingdiao will continuously be focusing on CNC machine industry refining on research and development, made great efforts to become high-end CNC machine manufacturer and NC engineering service provider. Thank you for listening to our Jingdiao story. Shape the future with advanced technologies. Beijing Jingdiao Group.